The top search engine in the world right now is
YouTube.
YouTube.
And you're thinking the scale.
YouTube has been dominated by a couple of people with their outstanding editing skills. Example, Ali Abdal, Isaac, and Magnet Media. You can be blessed with these 4 amazing CapCut masking effects, and the last one is going to blow your mind. Duplicate your imported clip. Make sure it has the same length as the main clip. After that, remove the background of the duplicated clip. Wait for the cutout to be applied. Add a white background as an overlay and place it in the middle of the first and second clip. Go to Mask and select Mirror Mask. Now we can see that the white background is covering our scene and we don't want that. So to remove it, go to Layer and move it in front of the clip for it to be behind. Now back to Mask. Hold this icon and drag it down to create the foggy effect. First of all, import a black background from library and type your text. After that, make sure it has the same length as the clip you are coming to work with and export it. Now, start a new project and import your clip. Duplicate it. Move the duplicated clip as an overlay. Now, we are going to remove the background of the duplicated clip. So, we are going to use the custom remover since we are not using the pro version. Wait for the cutout to be applied. Now, let's import our exported text as an overlay. Place it in the middle of the 2 clips. And to remove the black background, tap on Splice and select Lighting. With the text clip selected, go to Mask and select Horizontal Mask and place it at the end of the text like this. To create the text wipe effect, create a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and move the horizontal mask in the direction of the runner steadily. Keyframes will automatically be created as you move the horizontal mask. You are going to get something like this. Duplicate your clip and move it as an overlay and remove the background of the overlay clip. Now select the main clip, go to Mask and choose Mirror Mask. With the main clip selected, let's create our object out of frame effect. First of all, set a keyframe and close your mask and move a couple of frames and set another keyframe and open your mask. Start a new project and import your world map. Increase it to fit your screen. Import your curved line image as an overlay since we didn't create one for ourselves. And use the chroma key to remove the white background. Since Australia and United States are our target destination, let's adjust the curved line for accuracy. Just like we did in the test wipe animation, to make the curved line disappear, select the clip and go to mask. Select horizontal mask and set a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Now move the horizontal mask in the direction you want the plane to take off from. Add the PNG image of the plane as an overlay. Place it at Australia and make sure the PNG image has the same length as all the clips. Now set a keyframe at the beginning of the PNG image and move it in the direction of the curved line when it disappears. You are going to get something like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section below. Thank you.